How to get a $180 Uber Eats coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box, type in Uber Eats coupon code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Uber Eats. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. $25 off, 10% off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Now you can copy the code. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, click on redeem at Uber Eats. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, browse through the items and select the items that you want to order, and then proceed to checkout. While you're on the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Simply Codes, as this is also the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers for Uber Eats. So this way you can easily get up to $180 working coupon code for Uber Eats. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.